Perfecting your pitch, mastering proposals in proofreading and editing. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of professional proofreading and editing, focusing on one of the essential steps of finding clients, pitching and proposals. If you're aiming to turn your linguistic expertise into a rewarding career, this video is tailored for you. When you enter the world of freelancing or setting up your proofreading, editing business, your pitch becomes your voice. It is the primary means to convince potential clients about your expertise and reliability. Imagine it as your digital handshake. A strong pitch can mean the difference between being passed over and securing a lucrative project. Every good pitch should be 1. Clear and concise. Your client may receive dozens of pitches. Be sure yours is straightforward and to the point. 2. Personalized. Address the client by name and reference specifics about their project. It shows you've done your homework. 3. Highlight your experience. Share relevant examples of your past work. Don't just tell them you're good. Show them. 4. State your value proposition. Mention what makes you different or better than other proofreaders, editors. A proposal is an extension of your pitch. While your pitch grabs attention, the proposal seals the deal. Here's how to make it outstanding. 1. Introduce yourself. Reiterate your name, expertise, and passion. 2. Understanding of the project. Display your grasp of the project by summarizing it. 3. Your approach. Describe how you plan to tackle the project. This showcases your professionalism and planning skills. 4. Quotation and turnaround time. Clearly state your price and the time you'll take. Be realistic, but also fair to yourself. 5. Include testimonials or references. If past clients have praised your work, share it. After sending your pitch and proposal, don't just wait. If you haven't received a response in a week, send a polite follow-up email. Express your continued interest and ask if they have any further questions. Persistence can sometimes be the key to securing a project. With a firm grasp on pitching and proposal crafting, you're now ready to take on the world of professional proofreading and editing with confidence. Remember, every pitch and proposal should echo your authenticity and dedication. We hope this video illuminates your path. Until next time, happy proofreading and editing!